cross-border exchange of information is crucial.
Duol mochung'ne tije bad migao mar doho Judicial Service Commission koro godhoge piny ewi nok ma jong'ad buche e doho ma Kisumu gino ma giwacho ni kelo ng'ukni e yor neno ni buche oyal kendo ng'ad mapiyo. Gidwaro ni piny owacho mondo otim mapiyo e konyo medo ndiko kwan ma jong'ad buche mondo jopiny madwaro kony e doho mondo yud ratichgi e yo makare. Bende gisingo mar neno no yaw doho mamoko manyien e sub-counties e neno no ter chenro mag doho machiegni gi jopiny ka gimedo ni gibiro tiyo machiegni gi counties mopogore opogore yudo lowo mar gedo. Commissioners go kod jokanyo mag JSC dhi mbele kod timo limbe e doho ma pachoka e choko paro e midhiero ma jotij doho kale.
We've received reports about their performance, and I'm happy to report that they are doing very well. It is one of the few stations that we've been to where we have seen the case clearance rate of almost all the courts is beyond 100%. That is basically to mean that on any given year they clear more than they are receiving, so that means they are reducing the backlog. The Court of Appeal is understaffed. There are only 3 judges, and you know the Court of Appeal sits in benches of 3. So that means if there's any reason like recusal or illness, then the court cannot sit. So they need an extra Court of Appeal judge. They also need an extra High Court judge. The workload at Kisumu vis-a-vis the number of judges, they only have 2 High Court judges. It's not manageable. So they also need an extra judge. They need actually judicial officers throughout the ranks. They also need more judicial staff.
Part of what we will be getting to do is to talk to the members of parliament where we go, so that they can assist us even in some places where we can get land from the county. They may be able to put up some structures so that justice is taken closer to the user. But we would like the public to support us also in the quest to get allocation of resources. Maybe it ought to be fixed on a certain percentage, maybe 3%, so that certain situations that have hindered the delivery of justice in the past.
Kapod wani weche mag doho ni migao mar doho